Imagine a world-class, innovative company, one that's not just participating in the global healthcare revolution, but actively leading it. Picture a business whose breakthroughs are setting new standards for patient care, and whose influence stretches from cutting-edge research labs to hospitals and homes around the world. Now imagine this titan of industry trading at a price that seems almost too good to be true, a valuation that makes even seasoned investors do a double take. Sounds impossible, right? Yet every so often the market presents us with these rare moments of opportunity. The truth is, markets aren't always rational. They can be swayed by headlines, short-term setbacks, or fleeting fears, causing even the most promising companies to be undervalued. When panic or uncertainty takes hold, prices can drop far below what a business is truly worth. For those who look beyond the noise, these moments can be golden opportunities, chances to invest in industry leaders at a fraction of their real value. Today, we're diving deep into a stock that could become the cornerstone of your portfolio in 2025 and beyond. This isn't just another ticker symbol, it's a company with a story, a vision, and a track record of changing lives. This company's groundbreaking treatments have already transformed the lives of millions, tackling diseases once thought untreatable and opening up entirely new markets. From developing life-saving drugs to pioneering therapies, it has built a multi-billion-dollar industry from the ground up, earning the trust of patients and healthcare professionals worldwide. Its only real challenge? Meeting the overwhelming, ever-growing global demand for its products. As more people gain access to healthcare, the need for its innovations continues to surge, putting pressure on the company to scale up production and distribution at an unprecedented pace. But this titan isn't resting on its laurels. With a robust pipeline packed with next-generation therapies and a relentless focus on research and development, it's poised to stay ahead of the curve. The company's commitment to innovation ensures it will remain a leader in the healthcare space for years, if not decades, to come. In this chapter, we'll break down everything you need to know, from the latest blockbuster clinical trial results to the financial fundamentals that make this stock a potential once-in-a-generation bargain. We'll explore what sets it apart from the competition, and why now might be the perfect time to take a closer look. So let's pull back the curtain and uncover the incredible story behind this industry giant, one that could redefine what it means to find true value in the stock market. The company in question is Novo Nordisk, ticker NVO, a name that has become synonymous with innovation and leadership in the global pharmaceutical industry. Founded in Denmark nearly a century ago, Novo Nordisk has grown from humble beginnings into a powerhouse that shapes the future of healthcare for millions of people worldwide. Headquartered in the vibrant city of Copenhagen, this Danish pharmaceutical giant trades under the ticker NVO on the New York Stock Exchange and is a source of national pride for Denmark. Its influence extends far beyond its home country, with operations in more than 80 countries and products marketed in over 170. Novo Nordisk is best known for its breakthrough innovation in diabetes and obesity care. With a staggering market cap of $190 billion, the company has built a legacy of transforming medicine and improving lives. Its research teams are constantly pushing the boundaries of science, developing therapies that address some of the world's most pressing health challenges. At the heart of Novo Nordisk's recent success are its GLP-1 agonists, powered by the innovative compound semaglutide. These are the driving force behind the blockbuster drugs Ozempic and Wegovy, which have revolutionized the treatment of type 2 diabetes and obesity. These medications are not just scientific achievements, they represent hope for millions struggling with chronic conditions. Wegovy in particular has become a cultural phenomenon, capturing headlines and sparking conversations about the future of weight management. Its effectiveness has opened up a massive new market for safe, effective anti-obesity medications, and has helped to reduce the stigma around seeking medical help for weight loss. For many, Wegovy is more than a prescription, it's a life-changing opportunity to reclaim health and confidence. Novo Nordisk's strategic foresight led to the landmark SELECT trial, a pivotal study that demonstrated a 20% lower risk of heart attack or stroke for patients taking semaglutide. This was a game-changer, providing robust evidence that these medications offer benefits far beyond weight loss or blood sugar control. The trial's results have been celebrated by the medical community and have set a new standard for what's possible in chronic disease management. Thanks to these findings, Wegovy has been elevated from a weight loss drug to a critical tool in cardiovascular health. Doctors now see it as a way to help patients not only lose weight but also protect their hearts and improve their overall quality of life. This shift has expanded the drug's impact and solidified Novo Nordisk's reputation as a leader in medical innovation. Even as formidable competitors like Eli Lilly enter the market with their own therapies, Novo Nordisk continues to innovate and reinforce its edge. The company invests heavily in research and development, exploring new frontiers in metabolic disease, rare disorders, and beyond. Its strategic vision and commitment to science keep it at the forefront of the industry. With relentless R&D, a proven track record, and a mission to drive change for generations, Novo Nordisk's future looks as bright as its storied past. As it continues to break new ground, the company remains dedicated to improving health outcomes and transforming lives around the world. Novo Nordisk has once again captured the world's attention with the release of the 𝗗𝗟𝗏 study, a comprehensive real-world analysis that's making waves in the medical community and beyond. This study is not just another clinical trial, it's a pivotal moment in the ongoing battle against obesity, offering new hope for millions of people struggling with weight-related health issues. The 𝗗𝗟𝗏 study directly compared the effectiveness of Novo Nordisk's Wegovy to Eli Lilly's 𝗣𝗟𝗏, two of the most talked-about medications in the fight against obesity. Both drugs have been hailed as breakthroughs, but this head-to-head comparison set out to answer a crucial question. Which one truly delivers better outcomes for patients in the real world? The findings were nothing short of remarkable. Patients who were prescribed Wegovy experienced a 57% lower risk of suffering a heart attack, stroke, or death from cardiovascular causes compared to those taking 𝗣𝗟𝗏. This dramatic reduction in risk goes far beyond what many experts anticipated, and it signals a major shift in how obesity medications are evaluated, not just for weight loss but for their impact on long-term health and survival. The implications are profound. Obesity care is no longer just about shedding pounds, it's about improving quality of life, preventing life-threatening events, and supporting holistic well-being. For patients, this means that choosing the right medication could be a matter of life and death, not just a number on the scale. For healthcare providers, insurers, and patients alike, these superior cardiovascular outcomes make Wegovy stand out as the clear, evidence-based choice. Doctors can now recommend Wegovy with greater confidence, insurers may be more willing to cover its cost, and patients can feel reassured that they're making a decision that supports their long-term health. The 𝗗𝗟𝗏 study builds on the foundation laid by the earlier SELECT trial, reinforcing the idea that Wegovy's benefits extend well beyond weight loss. In real-world settings where patients face complex health challenges, Wegovy appears to outperform even its closest rival, 𝗣𝗟𝗏𝗏, in protecting against serious cardiovascular events. This clinical advantage not only strengthens Novo Nordisk's leadership in the obesity treatment market, but also justifies the company's premium pricing strategy. With such compelling data, Novo Nordisk is well positioned to maintain its edge over competitors and continue driving innovation in this rapidly evolving field. For investors, the 𝗗𝗟𝗏 study represents a durable competitive advantage that's difficult for rivals to match. The combination of superior clinical outcomes and strong market positioning makes Novo Nordisk an attractive choice for those seeking long-term growth in the healthcare sector. The compelling narrative created by this data gives Novo Nordisk a powerful tool to drive future growth, expand its reach, and solidify its reputation as a leader in obesity care worldwide. Ultimately, the 𝗗𝗟𝗏 study is more than just another data point. It's a strategic win that could reshape the landscape of obesity treatment for years to come, benefiting patients, providers, and investors alike. But let's dig deeper. Headline numbers rarely tell the full story. The 𝗗𝗟𝗏 study was real-world evidence, not a gold-standard randomized trial, so selection bias could play a role. The 57% benefit was seen only in patients who stayed on treatment. 𝗣𝗟𝗏𝗏's higher dropout rate may have skewed results. Adjusting for treatment gaps, Wegovy's advantage drops to a still strong 29% risk reduction. Observation periods differed slightly, possibly inflating events in the 𝗣𝗟𝗏 group. Correlation doesn't always mean causation, but even the conservative numbers are impressive. Wegovy's better tolerability means higher adherence, a real-world edge. The study's limitations don't erase its message. Wegovy delivers superior outcomes in everyday care. Novo Nordisk's position is stronger than ever. Understanding studies like 𝗗𝗟𝗏 and analyzing financials is what sets great investors apart. If you want to spot opportunities like Novo Nordisk yourself, check out our Value Stocks Investing Master Course. We distill insights from investing legends into an actionable framework, teaching you to read financials, spot moats, and value companies. The course is packed with real-world case studies and practical tools for every level. Learn to think like a world-class investor and confidently evaluate bargains versus value traps. Don't miss out on the next big opportunity. Invest in your education. Click the link in the description to learn more and join our community of disciplined investors. Now, let's get back to why Novo Nordisk's financials are so compelling. Novo Nordisk's financials are as impressive as its science. In early 2025, sales grew 16% year-over-year, with operating profit up 25%, showing powerful operating leverage. Gross margins are a staggering 83.9%, giving the company flexibility to reinvest and reward shareholders. Novo Nordisk is a cash machine, funding R&D, scaling production, and paying a healthy 3% dividend. This blend of growth and income is rare in today's market. Strong revenue, expanding profits, and a solid dividend make Novo Nordisk a financial powerhouse. The fundamentals support a premium stock price. The company's financial health is rock solid, giving investors confidence for the long haul. Now let's talk valuation. Here's the twist. Despite blockbuster products and growth, Novo Nordisk trades at a bargain. In August 2025, management forecasted slower profit growth, and the market panicked. The stock dropped, now trading at a forward PE of just 14.6, cheap for a high-growth leader. The market is pricing Novo Nordisk like a slow-growth utility, ignoring its double-digit earnings outlook. This disconnect is where smart investors win. The investment case is simple. Novo Nordisk's valuation doesn't reflect its long-term prospects. Demand for its drugs is booming, the pipeline is strong, and management is simply being prudent. At around 57, NVO offers a rare entry point for long-term investors. All the evidence points to a bargain hiding in plain sight. Want more exclusive stock ideas and timely analysis? Join our Stocks Galore Patreon community. Get access to our best research, portfolio tracking, and early video releases. Participate in QAs with our team and connect with like-minded investors. Whether you love growth stocks, dividends, or hidden gems, our Patreon is your resource for actionable intelligence. We do the research so you can invest with confidence. Click the Patreon link below to join and let us know. Is Novo Nordisk's slowdown a real concern, or is this the bargain of 2025? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.